Baba bless my family, bless my enemies, bless everybody. Together we be smiling.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and as you saw on the thumbnail, we're talking about Paula's Choice today. So if you're ready, I have a couple of videos already posted and I'll keep posting them as I try them. All the details and links are always on my blog, and my blog link is down below. So let's get started, shall we? The first thing I have here is by Clinique. It's their bestseller sets. Like I told you guys in the past videos recently, I've been really loving trying deluxe sizes. It allows me to not return and also just try products and just really think about how it works for me and be intentional, and then go back and buy if I like it. And I think during the holiday season some time ago they had this bestseller set, and I finally got to finishing using all the products. I don't have all the empties, but I trashed some obviously because I forgot I was going to film with it, because I've talked about these products in past videos before, so if you've seen it you'll recognize them. And so I only have 2 of them here, but in short, this has the 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser. It has the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. It has the Clinique Moisture Surge, and it has the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and it also has the Clinique City Block Purifying Charcoal Clay Mask plus Scrub. And you guys know I love charcoal and clay masks. So yeah, so here I only have the clay mask. As you can see, the charcoal clay mask, as you can see, is all done. Is because I really loved it. And I also have the eye cream. It actually lasted me like almost 6 months, because I only used a little bit, so it was actually also good. They make a huge difference, but it kept my eyes like hydrated, so that's what I could say about this. So that's about it. And the fact that it didn't irritate my eyes was amazing, because some ingredient in products that tends to irritate my eyes, especially sunscreens. Now the other 3 that I don't have here is this exfoliating cleanser. One of the best cleansers for someone who is lazy, always on the go, wants a deep clean without using a mask after. This is a 2-in-1 wash and mask. So is this one. This is a 2-in-1 mask and scrub. So these are perfect for that person who's new to skincare, wants to bargain, doesn't know what to try, doesn't want to invest on the entire product. This is a bestseller. I think if they still have this, they usually come back during the holidays. Try it, you will love it. Everybody knows about the Take the Day Off. They have, I think, the liquid version now, but I love this. I love balms, you guys know that, but they're expensive because, you know, they don't last as long. You use more products, but I love balms and oils to remove my makeup, and this is one of the best. If you check out my prior skincare videos, you'll see that. Another great one is the Moisture Surge for all skin types, even if, especially dry skin. I think it's so hydrating, especially during the summer. I love this. So yeah, this deal was the best set from Clinique. Best thing since I've tried skincare in terms of a comprehensive packet. I thought this was amazing, so definitely try that if you were looking for something to try and you feel a beginner. Yeah. Okay, next product. I got this when I first started, believe it or not, my YouTube career long time ago. I got it for free. The company contacted me. It's the Biovene charcoal magnet mask. I just thought this was a gimmick. I think the reason why I didn't use it for so long was because I was scared it was going to break me out, because my skin is so sensitive. But the packaging is so amazing, guys. As you can see, it's almost done. I mean, the packaging is so luxurious for how cheap it is. I think you can get this at Walmart as well, or walmart.com. And I like this process because it's very, very like simplistic and clean. Literally, guys, when you put the mask on your skin and you just take this and it literally just takes it off. It's so amazing. I don't know, I think it's a fun thing to try. Here's the packaging again. Like I said, it's so gorgeous, so cute, and this is to remove the mask. I'll try to demo it at the end because it can get a little messy when you try to remove it from here. So but to remove it from your skin, I feel like it's so effortless. That's why I like that. I thought it was just fun, and I love doing masks twice a week, so definitely I do a deep cleaning like this and a hydrating or a sleeping mask, in between. So wearing makeup. So there you go. Definitely something worth trying, something similar if you find it. It's so fun. The experience is fun and it's affordable. So I really like it, and it does deep clean as well. So yeah, it's also a good price. So next thing I want to talk about is by Badescu, and it's the buffering lotion. You could definitely buy this during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. They usually have it on sale, so definitely wait for that. I like this because when I had like random breakouts before I started Paula's Choice, I feel like once you clean your skin, you put nothing on it, then you add this like a drop to the affected area, go to bed, and then wake up, it's pretty much gone or dried up, and it won't leave a scar. So this is amazing. And I really have this because it's also good if you're pregnant, because it's safe for the baby. So I always keep something like this in my collection because you never know. But since I started Paula's Choice, I don't know that I would need this anymore, but especially during like your time of the month, it's something really worth trying. So and they have this in the glass version as well, so definitely try this out if you're looking for like to resolve the issues of random breakouts, and you have like an event coming right away and you were not like expecting that. It helps with that a lot. Next thing I want to talk about is the famous Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid of exfoliant with salicylic acid. I like this because it says it's good for all skin types, but I wouldn't use it every day unless you wear makeup. But even if you do, I would try to do it every other day or 4 times a week, because it does have salicylic acid. You know, that's usually good if your skin is acne prone. So if you're not acne prone, I wouldn't recommend using this every day. But I will tell you, oh my god, this is the best thing. Since I've started this, just within a week or a couple of days, I could see all the texture on my skin gone, because I tried so many products. I do have clear skin, but I was realizing again, like during my time of the month, my breakouts, and then with like so many makeup products from drugstore and things like that, I was getting a lot of texture and like hyperpigmentation, even though I don't even go out in the sun that much. But once I started doing this, I swear within a couple of days I saw my skin transform in that sense. So it removed like all the texture. During my time of the month, I did not see any breakout. So this is definitely worth the money, and Paula's Choice has so many sales. It's always out of stock, but I say this is one product that you really want to have in your skincare routine no matter what. It's so worth it, even at a full price, and it's now sold at Sephora. So is this worth the hype? 1,000,000 times yes. Even at 100, I'll buy it. Just saying. Next thing, you guys, I talked about the cleansing oils. This one has sunflower and coconut, and it's good for all skin types. Paula's Choice as well. Packaging is amazing. It has a pump. Just don't keep it around your eyes because you will burn, especially if you wear contacts. And yeah, so I like it. It's really effective. I just use 2 pumps and I'm good, and my skin cleans pretty well. I really like this. I follow with the Paula's Choice Perfectly Balanced Foaming Cleanser. It says normal to oily combination, but I think anyone can use it because I like that it balances your pH. I really like this one because I always thought that if it foams, it means it's cleaning and it's better, but foaming tends to be extra drying as well. So I always use those type of products on my skin. Anything that foams, that's always what I looked for. But lately I've been trying Hydrating Cleanser, especially because I always go in with a cleansing oil like the one I just showed, and I usually go in with the micellar water as well, and then go in and wash my face. So usually, like now, I've been doing hydrating cleansers, balanced foaming cleansers. This doesn't foam as much as it says. It's actually milky, creamy, and when you put it on, let me show you guys. Like, you see that it doesn't really foam, but it cleans so well. So I'm just gonna go like this so you can see. It doesn't foam. It's almost like a cream cleanser, but it cleans so well, which is so amazing because it's also hydrating as well. When I was using like exfoliating cleansers like the one I showed by Clinique, like foaming cleansers like that really foam, they're great, but I feel like my skin felt tight afterwards. Like it needed immediate hydration. It needed a toner that was hydrating immediately, or else I felt so tense and tight and, you know, dry. So this is a definitely new addition to my collection that I'm really loving. And last but not least, the famous Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment by Sunday Radley for even your skin tone, brightening, and also exfoliating in a way. So the days that I wear this, I don't use my Paula's Choice. On the days that I use this, I don't use this obviously because it's kind of counterproductive. They both kind of do the same thing. This is a leave-on treatment. You don't have to rinse it off. And of course, this is the first time I bought this. If you check the video out, you will see when I first bought this, it was in a set at Ulta on sale, and I got it and I used it. Because I only use it once a week, it lasted me almost a whole year. So that was so amazing. And then I just kept it because I just like it so much for the aesthetics. In my vanity, I'm keeping it. And this box actually came from Sunday Riley. It's actually the deluxe size. So this is the deluxe size in here. This one is 1.7 fluid ounces, whereas the small one is 1 fluid ounce, so almost double. And Sunday Riley actually sent this to me free because I did do a collaboration with them you know, and they paid and also sent me a couple of products to try out. So this was one of the products that they sent me, which I thought was so amazing. This is something that I will always have in my collection. I did see a change in my skin when I started using this before even Paula's Choice, and it's really good. So I always do this once a week, again, because my skin, I'm young and my skin is pretty clear. I don't need much, so I just do this as a preventative measure. So there you go, that is all. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, watch more videos at your own leisure if you are interested, and I'll see you guys on my next post, God willing. Don't forget to always praise him, praise God. Ciao guys, bye bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.